everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of KCET Option Entry. How to add, delete, rearrange options in KCET Option Entry. Guys, I hope everyone have seen your mock allotment results. So mock allotment results are out now, and what to do after the mock allotment results. So we have made a detailed video on that, so I will be providing the video link in the description. You can watch that video, and what and all doubts you have, guys, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt, guys. So guys, that video is very important, so you need to understand what will happen after this mock allotment result and what is the importance of mock allotment result, everything. So that's why we have made that video. So as I said, I will provide the video link in the description. You can watch that video, guys. So now the most important thing, so what next? So you have got the mock allotment result. So after that, you will get a chance to add or delete or rearrange options, guys. So guys, this is the most important step. This is the last time you will add your colleges. So that's why as I am telling that, watch that video. Everything I have told, do's and don'ts, what you should do after the mock allotment results. So you will get one last chance to add. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can add also. So this video is not just after mock allotment results. So after first round allotment results or after second round allotment results, so you can just watch this video, and by watching this video you will get a clear clarity what how you can add or delete or rearrange option, guys. So I hope you have got a clear clarity what you should do next. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel, and in our next video we will be uploading how to select the choice entry also. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And guys, watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any important information regarding this, how to add, delete, rearrange options. So let us start our video. So entering the option, how to add. So many people have already completed adding the option entry. So still, if you have any doubt how you can add the option entry, so I will be telling you, guys. So guys, what mock allotment result you have got, that is not final. So first round seat allotment will be the final. So you will get a clear clarity, okay, which college you can get, like that. So that's why, as again I am telling you, watch that video, you will get a clear clarity on that KCET mock allotment results. Because now if I tell that this video will be very lengthy, so watch that video, guys, and link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video. So I will tell you how you can add the options. So first will be, you need to click the candidate option entry homepage. Then you need to select the course you want to apply for. So example, RV College Engineering you are targeting. So all the courses whichever you want to select, you should select in the priority. That's what, choose your preferred college for that course. First select the college. I hope you people have already prepared the list of what you are targeting for. So you need to follow the same order. Then give each option as a priority. Number one is the highest performance. So one should be computer science engineering, second artificial intelligence, third then data structures, like that. So priority should be 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Fifth, if applying for multiple courses, continue the same priority sequence. Don't restart from one. Yeah, many people will do that mistake. First is computer science for RV College. Second, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Again, they will select one. No, that is wrong, guys. You need to select as two. So you can't restart the same number what you have selected before. Then after that, after entering all your choices, click save. So you can enter 100 colleges also, guys. So it's not like you need to select 10, 20, 30, like that. You can select 100 colleges also, and you can select many branches. So you, for your rank, you will be having a clear idea so what college you can get. So that many colleges you add, guys. Some people have not got seats also, so now don't miss that opportunity. Add some more colleges so that you don't get this, you didn't got any seat, like that message you shouldn't get. So what and all colleges are not good, that also you should add, because second round and third round you can get best colleges, guys. So this is very important. So as I am telling again and again, this is the last time you will add the colleges. After that, just you can modify or delete the colleges. Then you can add or edit or delete options anytime before the option entry deadline. Always you need to save, guys. Don't forget to save after every college. Then after the last date and time, your save option will be locked or frozen. So once the date is over, it will be frozen, and always you will be having doubt, where is the submit option? So guys, there is no submit option. Just you need to click on save. The colleges what list you have added, that will be remain same. So don't worry, there is no option of submit and all like that. So I think you got a clarity on how to add the options in KCET option entry. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends also, so that everyone can get to know about this, how to add, rearrange, modify option. And as I said, watch the video on KCET mock allotment results. So link will be provided in the description. You can watch that video. And now how to modify the order of options. So this is very important. So second section, you go to modify selected option window, then change the numbers or type the new numbers in the option field for new priority. So example, you have got civil engineering in RV college, so that will be sixth option. So you don't want civil engineering in RV college, so you can keep that college down, and whatever computer science engineering colleges in BMS or PS IT, then MS Ramaya Institute, you can keep that colleges on top. So the priority you can change. Again, as it says, sequence shouldn't change. So make sure you are giving the options correct. Just you need to modify, your list will be same, just change the number. So sixth college will be sixth course will be RV College of Engineering Civil Engineering. You don't want in that sixth position, you want that college in that branch in 10th position. Just change and interchange like that. Then click update button in the option. So whatever you will change the priority, you will change the options, right? Just you need to click on update. So this is how you can modify, guys. You can modify complete list also. See the cutoff, KCET mock allotment cutoff, you might get a clarity. Okay, you will be getting CS call seat in this particular college, so keep that college on top. Remaining other branches like mechanical, civil, you can keep down, guys. So newly modified options will be loaded in the selected view option window. So before logging out, you just check whatever colleges you have modified, that is based on your list, and that is based on your choice, guys. So you got a clarity, I think so, how you can modify the order option. So take care the same number will not repeat in the option tree, since the priority number against each course is unique. As I mentioned, you shouldn't keep the same number 1 2 3 4. So starting for 10 colleges, no issue. If you have added 50-60 colleges, some numbers will repeat. 25 it will repeat twice, thrice, like that. So make sure no numbers are repeating. It is in order of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 20 30 40, like that. Okay, I think you got a clarity. And guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. Now, how to delete the option? Simple. You need to go to modify selected option window. Oh, I don't want civil engineering, I don't want mechanical engineering, this particular college, I want only ECCS, like that. Just click on enter the number 0 in the option field to delete, and click on update. So automatically that option itself, it will delete. So example, sixth college is civil, sixth course, sixth number is civil engineering in one particular college. So if you click if you don't want that particular course, just instead of 6 put 0, and just click on update. So that particular sixth college will sixth course will be deleted, and seventh what will be there, right, it will come on sixth. So this is how you can delete the options. So make sure after deleting one more time, you will check the list. So whatever colleges you don't want, you can delete, guys. Don't worry, after first round allotment also you will get an option to delete the colleges or rearrange the colleges, but you can't add. So this is the update I wanted to give you. I think you got a clarity how to add, rearrange or modify and delete the colleges, guys. As I said, watch the video on mock allotment results, what to do, what to not to do. Thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.